Hello viewers, welcome to Gemini Lives. In this video, we are going to see 10 plants to treat cold and cough, how to plant these plants, and how to use them to cure cold. Before starting this video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, so you can benefit from home gardening ideas. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Holy Basil. Holy basil is an easy to grow plant. You can plant it with dried seeds and roots. It will easily spread by its seeds. Watering it when the soil gets dried. It is a simple plant to grow at home. No specific maintenance is needed for holy basil. Let's see how to use it to cure colds. Make a tea. Add holy basil leaves and water. Let it boil. Filter and drink it with lukewarm heat. Chew it. Just collect leaves. Wash them and eat them. Holy basil increases body heat, so it helps to cure coldness. Collect leaves and stems and let them dry. Powder it in a nice texture. Store it in an air container box. You can add this powder to make tea, or even in milk can help you to cure cold. Take a bunch of dried holy basil leaves and fire it and let it smoke. Inhale the smoke slowly can help you to clean your air pipe. Add crushed holy basil leaves to the hot water and take a steam bath can improve your nasal strength, cure cold, and give you a refreshed feel. Number 2. Solanum Tribatum. Solanum Tribatum is an early available and maintenance plant. We can propagate it by its fruits. It is easily available on roadsides. Let's see how to use it to cure cold. Add spices, pepper, cumin, and garlic, and add these leaves. And prepare it as your casual soup method. This will give you relief from clogged noses, sore throats, and throat inflammation. Use Solanum Tribatum and add tamarind, asafoetida, salt and chili. Make a nice chutney. Surely it is a tasty alternative medicine. Let the leaves and stems dry and make a powder. You can add it to your tea or mix it with hot water can help you to cure cold. Number 3. Country Borage. Country borage is an amazing medicine plant used to cure fever, cough, and depression. Add 1 or 2 washed leaves to the 2-liter water and let it boil, and you can drink this daily in the winter season. It can strengthen your immune system and cure colds, coughs, and fevers. Pick and wash a leaf and chew it directly. It is heavy and water-filled leaves give you immediate relief from the cold. Add leaves to the empty pan and heat it. Now the leaf will release water. Store this watering in the container and use it like a tonic. It will cure digestion problems and colds quickly. Number 4. Peppermint. Peppermint is commonly used for cough relaxation. We can use peppermint as essential oil and with leaves. You can make a tea from fresh peppermint leaves by adding them to boiling water. Then allow to steep for about 5 minutes and strain before drinking. Use peppermint essential oil or crushed peppermint leaves. Add a bowl of water and let it boil. Steaming with this water can improve your immune system and cure colds. Number 5. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus leaf and oil help us immensely to cure colds, coughs, and fevers. Use eucalyptus essential oil to your bathing water, or add eucalyptus leaves to the water and heat it. This can heal your stress and relieve body pain. Massage with eucalyptus oil to your forehead, throat, nose, and body to give you a better feel from the cold. Add eucalyptus leaves to the bowl of water. Boil the water and steam. It can give you a good sweating, and it will clear your air pipe and give you ultimate release from the cold. Number 6. Turmeric. The only remedy for almost every disease. But the one important thing we should always keep in mind is we shouldn't intake too much turmeric. Planting turmeric is an easy task, and we can harvest it quickly. Let's see how to use it to cure colds. Take a glass of hot water, a pinch of rock salt, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Pour this mixture into your throat and store it for 5 to 10 seconds. Then spit it out. This will ultimately work to clear your throat infection and cold that is stored in your throat. Use this primarily whenever you can cold. Take a piece of dried turmeric. Let it fire and smoke. Inhale the turmeric smoke can unbelievably control your cold and fever. But asthma people, and people who have lung problems should avoid this. It will work ultimately for normal people. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and pepper to the milk, or add a pinch of powder to hot water and consume. It can clean your food pipe and clean cold quickly. Number 7. Nochi. Nochi is an easily grown tree in the forest sides. We can plant it by cutting stems or branches. It is the best pest control tree. Steaming the nochi leaf water can easily remove the headache and cold and give you relaxation immediately. Number 8. Ginger. The way to grow ginger is similar to the way to grow turmeric. Grate some ginger and add it to a pan of boiling water. Once it boils, add the honey. Squeeze half a lemon. Then you are good to go. It boosts immunity. It cures the common cold, flu, and mononucleosis. Cold medicine doesn't kill virus, but ginger can. Number 9. Lemon. Growing lemon is an easy thing to do, but it will take a bit longer time to grow. It requires plenty of water. Lemon water is with vitamin C, which detoxifies your blood and boosts your immune system. While it is an excellent way to prevent colds, you can always drink warm lemon water during a cold to help loosen congestion and shorten the duration of symptoms. Number 10. Pepper. Pepper is a vine plant. It needs some maintenance to grow. It works ultimately for the cold and cough. We can use it in 2 ways. Crush the peppercorns in honey and dilute it and make it more palatable. Consume this honey and black pepper tonic early in the morning to fight symptoms of the common cold during winter. Add freshly crushed black pepper or black pepper powder, along with sea salt instead of sugar, to their cups of chai. Moreover, these all are home remedies for colds and coughs from the plant in our home. Subscribe to the channel to get more gardening videos. Thank you. Bye.